Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, Unit 5, Division. Now what is division? Division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. It is an operation that is just the opposite of multiplication. Division is also known as repeated subtraction. Like multiplication is repeated addition, division is repeated subtraction. The symbol for the division is division line with two dots, one up and one down. And how do we write a division statement or division fact? Like this, 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. That is 21 objects are divided equally in 7 groups. How many objects we will have in each group? 3. So in this way we represent the division fact. Now let us understand the division terms with the help of this figure. Now the first figure is showing division is the same as equal grouping. That means if we have a number of objects and we divide the number of objects in equal group, like here I have 12 dots and I have divided them in group of 4. In each group how many dots I will have now? 3. So 12 divided by 4 will give us 3. So we can write this as 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. Now in the second figure it is shown that what is this? 3 into 6 is equal to 18. This is a multiplication statement. Now we can change this multiplication statement into division sentence. So keeping the number same, we will write 18 divided by 6 equals 3 or 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So corresponding to every multiplication fact, we have two division facts. Now division is also known as repeated subtraction. How it is? Now suppose I have 15 objects and I want to group them into a group of 5, 5, 5. So I will start with 15 and first I am making a group of 5. So I will subtract 5. After subtracting, which number I am left with? 10. So I have 10 and if I subtract again 5, I will be left with 5. If I will subtract again 5, I will be left with 0. So in this way, from 15 we have started distributing the objects into group of 5, 5, 5. How many groups can we get? How many times we have subtracted? 1, 2, 3. So we have subtracted 3 times. So the answer will be 3. So in this way we see that division is repeated subtraction. Now when we divide a number, we follow the long division method. That is, the number to be divided, which is known as the dividend, we put that number in the division symbol. This is the division symbol. Inside this we put the dividend. The number by which we divide, that is called divisor. So in this example, 6 is the divisor. So we have to divide 18 by 6. So we will see that in table of 6, when the number 18 or a number smaller than 18 comes, so we know that 6 3s are 18. So we will write 3 up and we will subtract 18. After subtracting 18 from 18, we will get 0. This is called the remainder. And the answer of the division is called quotient. So I hope this is clear that the number that we divide is called dividend. The number by which we divide is called divisor. The answer of the division is called quotient. And sometimes the division is not complete. That means equal groups are not made. Some objects are left after making equal group. That is called remainder. So in some cases we have remainder also left. Now let us study the properties of division. The first property, division by 1. If we divide a number by 1, we will get the number itself. So 17 divided by 1 will give us 17. So any number, small or large, any number divided by 1 will give us the same number. Second property, division of 0. That is, if 0 is divided by any number, the result, the quotient will be 0. If we divide 0 by 321, answer will be 0. Third property, division of a number by itself. If we divide a number by itself, that is 38 divided by 38, the answer will be 1. Next property, property 4, division by 0. Now division by 0 is not defined. We cannot divide any number by 0. 0 can never be the divisor. 0 can be divided. 0 can be the dividend, but 0 can never be the divisor. Division by 0 is not defined. It is meaningless. Now let us study division by one digit number, that is single digit number. Let us take an example. Divide 6530 by 8. So first of all, we will draw the symbol of division. Then we will put the dividend inside the symbol and divisor outside the symbol. Now it will be helpful if you write the table of the divisor. What is the divisor here? 8. So first we will write the table of 8 on the workspace area. Now first we will start from the left side digit 6. Now we know that 6 is less than 8. So we cannot divide 6 by 8. So what we will do? We have to take 2 digits. So we will take 65 and we will think of a number which comes in table of 8 but which is equal to 65 or less than 65. So we have to search a number less than or equal to 65. So which number is that? 64. We have 8 8s are 64. So we will subtract 64. So first of all we have to write 8 here because 8 8s are 64. Then first we will write 8 here and subtract 64. After subtracting 64 from 65, we will get 1. Now 1 is smaller than 8. We cannot divide. So what we have to do? We have to bring down the next digit. What is the next digit? 3. So we will bring down 3. Now our number is 13. We have to divide 13 by 8. So again we have to check in the table which number is less than 13 or equal to 13. Now we cannot use 16, we have to take less than 13. So which number we will take? 8. So we will write here 8 ones are 8. So we will subtract 8 from 13 and then we will get 5. Again this 5 is smaller than 8 and it should be smaller than 8. Note that in at each step the remainder should be smaller than the divisor. So we cannot subtract 5. So what we will do? We will bring down the next digit down. What is the next digit? 0. So we will bring down 0. Now we have to find a number which is less than 50 or equal to 50 in table of 8. So 50 is not there. So we will take number 48 which is less than 50. So 8 6 are 48. So we will write 6 here and 48 here. We will subtract 48 from 50. What we will get? 2. Now we don't have any other digit left that can be brought down. So that means now our division is complete. We will stop here. Now this number 2 which is left, it is known as remainder. And the answer of the division is quotient, that is 816. So after completing the division, it is very necessary to write the answer. So what is the answer of this question? 816 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. So in this way we have to do the division.